You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Oh, it was hard work, all of this organising.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hey! Hello?
Sorry, Mr Tumble.
Oh, it's okay.
Is everything ready for Lord Monkey's tea party?
Nearly.
Did you remember to send the party invitations?
Did I remember? Oh, no. Oh, I forgot. Oh, and I still need to put out all of the tea party treats. Right, here they are. Treats go over here. Right, okay. Hey! Oh, dear. Right, that's the tea party treats done. What's next? Oh, yes, the drinks. Woohoo!
Slow down, Mr Tumble.
Oh, I can't slow down. There's so much to get ready. And Lord Monkey likes his tea parties to start on time. Yay! What was that? Oh, of course, it's time for the cake. Cake.
Be careful, Mr Tumble.
Okay.
Are you okay, Mr Tumble?
Yes, I'm okay.
Maybe you should slow down.
Oh, yes, but Lord Monkey's tea party is about to start. And where are the guests?
Oh no, Mr Tumble.
What?
Look.
Oh, no! The party invitations! I was rushing about so much. Oh, I forgot to send them out. Oh.
Maybe it's time for some Spotty magic, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes. Good idea.
One for Tumble Ted, one for the puppy, and one for Polly Dolly too. Well done, Mr Tumble. I'm sure everyone will be here soon.
Oh, yes.
While we wait, please will you show us the sign for invitation?
Oh, of course. Invitation. You sign. Invitation. Look. Invitation.
Thank you, Mr Tumble.
Oh, the party guests are here. Woohoo!
Mr Tumble. We'll see you soon for the Spotty surprise.
Okay!
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Numberblocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.